Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the Marilyn with the gun as a two-part video. So first I'm doing the normal Marilyn with the gun, and later I'm going to do the tattoo version in this video. So I prepared already the full white of the Marilyn with the stencil that's there. So that's what I've done already, and I use black and white as opaque colors, and the rest are transparent candies, which is the eye color and the red of the lips. So as you can see, I prepared the white, and I've done a quick background with some spider web in chains, and I'm starting now with the full black. As I prepared the stencil, I've used several parts of existing stencils. So a customer wanted me to do like this tattoo version, so I'm doing like Frankenstein version. I put the hand on the gun from one stencil. The Marilyn already existed. I had some tattoos made for another stencil, so I mixed them all together, and now comes the second gray, which is the dark gray of this whole picture. So I'm going a little darker around the eyes and with the gun. And while producing the stencil, I got a little bit carried away, because usually I'm doing like 1,500 details in a picture. This at the end with the tattoos had about 7,500 vector points. So there are 7,500 small details in this picture. This is now the middle tone of the gray. Everything is still done with the black airbrush. Just the variation of the height where I put the airbrush is getting farther away, so I get a lighter gray like this. So the nearer I go to the surface, the darker the color gets. So now I'm painting everything a little bit in gray. Now comes the color part. So I have the lips. I divided it into separate stencils for the upper and the underlip, so that I don't get color in the teeth. Now I'm using the blue for the eyes, so this is the darker details, and now comes the eye color. And I have a part where I can put the chain, the stone and the chain. You can also use green if you want other stones. So this is the light white, so I'm using like half the opacity there. And then I have a highlight white for the gun and the hand, and another highlight for the whole face. So this I'm doing now in full white. That's how I came with this huge amount of vector points, because the gun has like an engraving which is super detailed, and also the tattoos I'm doing later are super detailed. So the plotter took about nearly 2 hours to make this stencil, and even though the Merlin is 20 by 30 centimeters, even if you do this by freehand and you are as fast as the laser plotter, it would take you 2 hours or more. And I can paint this full picture in 10 minutes. So now I'm simulating the fur coat. I have like a white fur pattern that I repeat on there. So now comes the tattoo stuff. So I have 3 stencils with black, gray and white. And this now with the black. So there's a pattern of roses and skulls in there on the hand, the chest, the neck and the shoulder area. And as you can see, the face tattoo like a spider web. So this now is the gray. So, and if you want to do this the right way, you could reapply the highlight and the gray stencils. So if you want it to be like correct from the light and shading, you could reapply them. But if you want to see the tattoo better, you just leave them like that without the gray and full white stencils. So just put the highlight, no, the normal white stencil on there. So this now is the tattoo white stencil. And there you have it, like a huge detailed Merlin. And then the final step, I'm adding some smoke to the gun. It's a 2-part stencil. So first I'm doing a light gray and I'm doing a highlight white after this. So this is the tattooed Merlin. If you like my style, you can subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. And see you later or soon. Bye.